I am the kind of person that once I put my mind to something, I am like a pit bull that you can't change my mind. And if I have to stay up for a week solid without any sleep, if I have to not eat for 3 days, if I have to, like everyone has got a buffer. They have a savings account, in their life. And for me, like I will panhandle for my passions. Like this is the only thing that makes me happy as a person. And if it's me running full stop into a brick wall over and over and over again until I break through the brick wall, I'm going to do that, broken bones and bloody or not. Like there is absolutely nothing that you can put in front of me that I'm not going to go through.